Hello everyone. So this video is all about how to connect your local MySQL database into DBeaver. So let's get started. So it's very easy. You have to go into this top left corner and click on new database connection. Then go to MySQL, click next. Then type the password which you already have set while you downloaded MySQL into your local machine. So I'll put my password here. Then you have to go to this diver properties and you have to click this allow public key retrieval to true, and you have to test connection. There you go, my connection is successful, and you have to click finish. So as you can see, there is a tick green tick here. So that's it.